How to give a dachshund a bath without turning your bathroom into a splash zone. Hello, dachshund lovers. It's Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor and proud doxie mama. Dachshunds may be low to the ground, but they are certainly not low on personality. When bath time arrives, some will happily cooperate while others act as though you have personally betrayed them. Either way, the right setup can make bath time quicker, safer, and far less dramatic. Start with a perfect bathing spot. A regular bathtub works, but a built-in pet washing station is a dream for dachshund owners. Because doxies have long backs and short legs, a raised pet tub can save you from bending over while giving your pup a secure, comfortable place to stand. A handheld sprayer, non-slip surface, nearby shelves, and plenty of towel storage can turn bath time into a breeze. And if your current home is missing the perfect pet washing station, hint, hint, I would love to help you find a new Space Coast home with one. We can put up a doxie luxury spa right near the top of the wish list. Gather everything before you begin. Never underestimate how quickly a wet dachshund can escape. Have everything within arm's reach before turning on the water. Dog-friendly shampoo, non-slip bath mat, cup or handheld sprayer, soft washcloth, several towels, treats for cooperation or bribery, brush for after the bath. Have your supplies ready means you won't have to chase a slippery little sausage through the house while holding a shampoo bottle. Brush before the bath. Give your dachshund a gentle brushing before bath time. This removes loose hair and dirt and helps prevent tangles, especially for long-haired and wire-haired dachshunds. Use lukewarm water. Test the water with your wrist before placing your pup in the tub. It should be comfortably lukewarm, not hot, and not chilly. Keep the water shallow and make sure your dachshund has a non-slip surface below those tiny paws. Shampoo from the neck down. Wet your dachshund's body slowly, avoiding the eyes, ears, and nose. Apply a small amount of dog shampoo and gently massage it into the coat. Pay special attention to the belly, chest, paws, tail area. Those short little legs somehow collect half the backyard. Use a damp washcloth to gently clean the face rather than spraying water directly around it. Rinse, rinse, and rinse again. Leftover shampoo can irritate the skin, so rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. A handheld sprayer makes this step much easier, which is another excellent reason your next home needs that fabulous pet washing tub. Protect those adorable ears. Try to keep water out of your dachshund's ears. After the bath, gently dry around the outer ear with a soft towel. And if you have concerns about odor, redness, irritation, or how to clean the ear canal safely, check with your veterinarian. Dry your doxie thoroughly. Wrap your dachshund in a warm towel and gently pat the towel coat dry. Avoid vigorous rubbing, especially with a long-haired doxie, because it can create tangles. If you use a blow dryer, keep it on low or warm setting. Hold it at a safe distance and introduce the sound slowly. Some dachshunds tolerate a dryer beautifully. Others hear it and immediately begin planning their escape. Finish with praise and treats. Bath time should always end with plenty of praise, cuddles, and a special treat. Creating a positive routine can help your dachshund feel more relaxed during future baths. Then prepare yourself for those post-bath zoomies when your freshly cleaned doxie races through the house and rubs against every piece of furniture you own. Fun dachshund bathing fact. Dachshunds often appear dirtier faster than taller dogs simply because their bellies are so close to the ground. Their adorable lowrider design puts them in perfect position to collect grass, sand, mud, and whatever mysterious treasure they can find in the yard. Does your doxie need a better bathroom? If you're dreaming about a home with a dog washing station, fenced backyard, easy to clean flooring, or enough space for your entire four-legged crew, give me a call. I would love to help you find a Space Coast home that makes both you and your pets wag with excitement. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor with eXp Realty. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can email me at margarett.klein@exprealty.com. And you can search for homes on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Take a moment to watch my home tours, helpful hints, recipes, and dachshund adventures on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. Your dream home might just be one showing away, and your dachshund may finally get the spa-like bathing station they clearly believe they deserve. Margarett Klein signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, and you have an amazing day. Thanks so much.